Student, we will construct a pie chart of question number 2. To construct the pie chart, first of all you have to draw a circle with suitable radius. Remember, the circle should not be too small and not be very big. Here I have drawn one circle and this is the center of the circle, okay, and I drawn the radius. Now student, by looking the table, here the table is, we have converted already the data in degree. So here 90 degree, 120 degree and 150 degree. 3 angles we have to draw. So it is not necessary that firstly we have to draw 90 degree only. Any angle you can draw first. So suppose if we are drawing 90 degree angle, so for making the angle you have to use protractor. Okay, so by the protractor you will draw the 90 degree angle. For that student, this we will consider as a baseline and we will keep in proper position the protractor, set it properly, and then here see where is 90, definitely it is here. Now mark a dot and then draw it, join it with the center of the circle. Okay, so this is the 90 degree angle. Okay student, now the next angle is in table, it is 120 and 150. So suppose we will draw 150 angle. Okay, so for making 150 degree angle you can take baseline, either this one or this one, any one you can take as a baseline. Suppose if I am taking baseline this one, so for that again we will set the protractor. Now see here, this is the protractor. You have to set in this manner that this line should overlap on this. Okay, set it properly in this manner, and then 150 degree angle. Student, you know the concept of acute and obtuse angle. In acute angle, both angle arm should be nearer, and in obtuse it will be far. So here students see, if I have set like this, now this is 90 degree here and 150 will after 90 degree will come. So 150 here, you see where is 150, it is here. Put a dot and then join with the center. Join with center in this manner. The pencil, your pencil should be sharp. Okay, this is 150 degree angle. 150. Okay, 150 degree. Now student, here the third angle is 120. So 120 no need to draw, it will become automatically, because total 3 angle were there. So 2 we have drawn and third one automatically. You can check it, is it 120 or not. Okay, so we will check it, the remaining angle which is this one, it is 120 or not. So again set the protractor properly and then see here, you can see exactly on 120 this line is there. So that means it is correct. So here you write only 120 degree. Now student, label the pie chart properly. For labeling, again we will see the table 90 degree, which region is showing summer. So 90 degree here you will write summer. Then 120 degree showing rainy season. So 120 you can write rainy. Then winter season is showing 150. So here winter, 150 degree winter. Student, you can color also, different color you can use for different season. Suppose summer season red, winter season blue, rainy season green. You can fill color also. So in this manner we have to construct a pie chart. I hope you understood this.